Ahoy! Ah! You have no idea. You have no idea. This guy right there. Thank you very much. Hi. Morning, FiRiE fam. If you're watching this, I guess it's 2023. A new year. So, fun thing about video recording is this is done like the day before. So technically, I'm filming this in 2022 and you're watching this, if everything worked out accordingly and we're all still here in 2023, welcome. New perspective today. We decided to sit on the front porch instead of the back porch. I wanted to show you this guy right here, or girl. This is an ackee tree that we planted right when we got the house 4 years ago. And the Jamaican fam, and probably plenty others, know well enough what an ackee tree is, but here on Kauai, there is 0 ackee trees except for the one that we saw at a luau at one time. And so we got this for like $30. It was overgrown in its pot, and from the nursery, the plant nursery. Planted it 4 years ago, and it has blossomed. It nearly died, not gonna lie. Yeah, we had a little moment, a little scare, but I've hoped that it was going to actually produce some ackee, obviously, and it doesn't want to do that as yet. So we're hoping this year, before we leave, ackees come on the tree. Otherwise, yeah, it's been an interesting adventure for that ackee tree. So, metaphor coming your way. If the ackee tree is us, and we're hoping for seeds to sow, I guess, yeah, this year we're really looking forward to that transition. We're hoping to move back to Jamaica in June, but fingers crossed everything goes well. Our daughter graduates high school at the end of May, and we've kind of got things starting to map out. I'm going to talk to a realtor this coming month or so, or hopefully reach out to the same realtor that allowed us to buy this house, or helped us buy this house 4 years ago, see if he's interested. Quick shout out, thank you to all of our new subscribers and all of our old subscribers, our young subscribers, our middle-aged subscribers, our young at heart subscribers, those thinking about subscribing. Thank you guys. It's been really cool to see and read some comments. I want to give a special shout out to a few YouTubers that we've communicated with already. First one up in Canada, Arlee's Delights. They are delightful, so I'm going to put a link for your channel, and yeah, you guys feel free to check her out if you want to see some great Jamaican food cooking and some great personality along the way. And then Shenzhen's in Jamaica. She's doing some awesome things, and we've been subscribed to her for a while now, and I'm going to help her out with a new project she's got going on. I'm going to reach out to her just today, actually. She gave me her WhatsApp number, so looking forward to that. But at the end of the day, new year, new beginnings, great things that hopefully are going to be happening, and hope everyone's doing well. Hope you celebrated responsibly, and stay tuned. Today's episode is going to be a fun one. Javere's coming back over. We're going to tackle another Honda project, another Honda Element piece of work, if you will, but always a good time when the little father-stepson bonding, if you will. I think we're going to do all right. And the best part, stick around to the end, because our house in Jamaica is starting to get painted. Last episode, if you checked it out, we showed you guys the color palettes we went with. Don't judge. Don't get any preconceived ideas and what it might look like. Of course, if you looked at the thumbnail, you probably got a little bit of a sneak peek. But it's coming along pretty nicely. So big up Peter, Maurice, all you painter guys. Thank you so much. Guys, enjoy the new year. Enjoy the episode. Walk well. or good, however you choose to do it. And yeah, have a good day. Thumbs up. Come on, Aki tree. Just one Aki. One Aki. Just want one Aki on you. All right, we are back for round 2. Jay, are you ready? Look at that fresh haircut. What? Do a little spin for us, man. Okay, I was joking, but he really did it. Wow, he hasn't changed a bit. We're back for round 2. You know why? Because the Honda decided it needs another piece added to it. So me and Mr. J here.
I'm here.
He's here. We're going to tackle this one more time. Puppy, you got to stay here. You ready?
Think so.
I think so too. Let's check it out. So, funny story actually. Let's go ahead and give you guys a tidbit of what has gone on since the last time we fixed. Hold on. If you want to see. Wait for it. Wait for it. Just kidding. Take 2. That's right. It still works. Well done. Yes. Victory is ours on the hydraulic, whatever you want to call them. But we have a new problem today, and that happens to be this guy right here. So, fun fact, I don't know where the piece went, but there we were the other day. This is a reenactment for you. And I went to pull open the glove box, and sound effect included, I broke the glove box handle. Yeah. So we're going to attempt to fix that today with our amazing eBay $30-some from Canada, nonetheless. Canada, a new handle. Let's check it out. Okay, we have the piece here. New, well, slightly used handle. Couple of screws. Here's the problem. The screws are in the inside. So we're going to dive in and see if we can figure out how to get that glove door box off to replace the handle. Stay tuned. You ready, Jay?
Yep.
I'll be the one giving thumbs up here. This guy shows up and just suddenly takes 2 thumbs up? No, that's too much. All right, here we go. All right, we're in the bowels of the glove box right now from our lovely camera. It looks like a Phillips is going to be necessary for this operation. Javere, get the Phillips. We're going to need it.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Where is it?
The Phillips.
It's not over there?
I don't know. It's not out there. Okay. It's not out there. It's inside. This guy. You got one job. The Phillips screwdriver.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. We brought backup. Big screwdriver.
And a small one just in case.
And a small one just in case. So here we go. Going in. Jay, you're the camera guy.
Okay.
Little one. The little one. Hope you film better than your mom does. Don't tell her I said that.
She'll see it on the video.
Whose side are you on? Uh-oh. Little one. Don't look at my face. Have you seen that thing? Okay. Littlest one. It's almost like the 3 little bears, right? Big, little, and littlestest. Nobody? 3 little bears? Goldilocks? Oh, that's a problem. Hi.
What do you see? Or what do you think?
I can't see.
What do you see?
What do I see? I see. What do you see? I see me struggling. That's what you see. I see this piece of plastic in the way. And you feel like you got something going right, and then it doesn't go right, well, then Jay goes for the toolbox. Yep, there he is. He thinks a socket wrench is going to be a better solution. So, Tag, you're in. Stay tuned. It's about to get real. Like I said. Thank you. Screws out. Now this thing's being held on by the clasp.
Unlock it.
It's not locked, dude.
Sure.
Yes, it's latched. That's the problem. The latch is busted. So we got to figure out how to unlatch this thing from the inside. I'm pretty sure, if I recall correctly, it's got to go. Let me look at the actual piece. Stay tuned. Ah, see, there's a little latch. That piece is what needs to unclip. So do you want me to get like a screwdriver or something? Mm-hmm. Yes? Okay. I need to go get a screwdriver again, straight edge. Okay, handy dandy grandma tool. So this might look like a hammer, but it's what's on the inside that counts. Inside is a screwdriver, not just a regular screwdriver, don't scratch my car, but we can unscrew this part. What? And I forget what happens after that. Is there another? Hey, how did I turn this into a regular screwdriver?
It does screw a bunch of stuff.
I did. I unscrewed the cap.
Mm-hmm.
And this, does it have a regular?
That's it.
There's not a regular, just a Phillips?
That was it. Was it?
Did we not? Oh, wait. Oh, hey, this piece unscrews too. Oh, there it is. We found it.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a reenactment. Ahoy! Ah! You have no idea. You have no idea. This guy right there. Thank you very much. Hi. Thumbs up. All right, now let's put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Good job, Jay. That's right. The handles are off. Well, the handle's not off, but the drawer is off. Whew. I'd like to thank the Academy. All the little people had to step on to get here. We got it off. And now it's just a matter of putting the new one back in. Cue the time lapse. Okay, there it is. The old busted piece is out. And I already lost the new piece. Oh, there it is. So, thank you eBay. $30-some later, including shipping. We're now going to put the new piece back in. Looks the same. That's a good place to start. Here we go. Wish me luck. Right. Honda 0. Me and him 2. That's a good 5.
That's good.
We got the 5 down. What's next? First the Honda, and then the 5. Next, the world.
This one would advise of a tile the kitchen, you know. Cause look here.
That's a good idea, Peter.
All light mash up. See there? All light mash up. Drew the cupboard. Then nail it on the wall so come pull. See all the nail them inside. See one of the nail
Kitchen
there.
gone, man.
Yeah. One of the kitchen tear up.
I see that.
So I don't know what you plan for.
We're gonna tile
You
it.
plan for paint it or tile it. Tell me, because would have prefer your tile it still.
Yeah.
Right, because they power them half one. So if you want it paint, would have to drive, you can draw the filler and do it good as possible. So you just explain to me if you want it paint
Explain
or
it,
you want it tile.
Hello.
That's what you know for you. Right? It's awful, see
It's awful, dear.
He's talking,
Well,
right?
yeah.
You say when he's talking, just listen.
And they come when they come from here,
I remember that.
all the way around, and come around.
We're gonna get
You're gonna have 1,
3 shelves.
2, 3 shelves up here, so.
Says the shelf is gonna be
The
like
gas stove
fitting,
gonna work on
it's gonna
this
be like
side.
fitting 3, like 3
The
shelves.
gas stove gonna work on this side.
3.
So I don't know if you want any shelf over the gas stove. So you need a shelf over the gas stove.
No. Okay.
Yeah, and on the top. You got,
3 open shelves up top. Custom built cabinets
Yeah,
down below.
It's gonna be 6 shelves, you know.
we know the color for the tile. Right, to the
Oh, we got the money.
we know the color for the tile for the kitchen. But look here, on this one. This is the kitchen for the fish bone tile then. Here, so now.
Excuse the mess.
Well, when you're doing renovation house, that's already there, that's how it goes.
This is the bathroom. The fishbone tile. The husband said you need 2 bathrooms for the fishbone tile.
So what?
Right, and the kitchen,
Fishbone pattern.
and the
Long
bathroom.
tile.
So what I want to know now, if this little part for tile with the fishbone from here so to the other doorway, from here so to the other doorway.
We're gonna go the straight white marble.
What did I look? Alright, the tile with the fishbone. Also the other bathroom is the same.
I think we're gonna go with the white marble tile throughout the whole house except for the bathrooms, the veranda, the bathroom, and the kitchen.
So if you want to go out the bathroom, stop here so with the fishbone tile. You have to make me know.
Okay, hello.
And start with the room tile and
We'll
come
let you
down
know,
the
Peter.
passage then. Just explain
Yeah, when
it
we
to
talk, we'll let you know
me.
that. That's what.
The fishbone is the bathroom, the veranda, and the kitchen.
In the back room.
Oh, nice. So we don't know if you want the passage with the fishbone or you want it with the room tile then.
Nah, it's gonna be all the room tile.
But it come in to me like well, the room tile not better.
Yeah.
You come up with it. Yeah. I bet you come up with the passage with the room tile. Because here so we're gonna have a difference. And that bedroom and that bedroom would have matched come all the way down. all the way down with the tile, and the fishbone one inside from here going to the bathroom. Right, so also just use the passage for the room
Yeah.
and the veranda. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're rubbing down the grill and because the grill end looks so bad, they're full of pure rust and things. So they have to rub them off before they paint them, sandpaper them down.
I'm having way too much fun.
Yeah.
Painting.
Listen to music.
Start.
Yeah.
Sand down the grills.
Yeah, they gotta do that and then they have to take out all of the window them to forget to paint and then you have to then take them out.
Yeah, all that color's gonna be gone. We're gonna go straight white on the inside. Only color is gonna be on the veranda there.
What?
The only color is gonna be on the veranda.
Yours man, they tell me that team, if the price is alright, this big room, it could have gone to the fishbone tile. The lamp tile.
Playroom.
This is the big room where we have the man will paint all stuff white. Right, so I'm saying but I like the fishbone in here so too. So it's so good.
See? Peter said it sound good.
Him say the price alright.
I don't know why you want a special big room for yours.
Cause you get the other big room.
Bathroom, the big room.
Everybody get that big room anyway.
All the adults. Me and the kids, we're in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are all spoiled, but we're gonna paint those, right?
What? Those boys?
Those in whites?
Yes.
So we have to get all of the rod then.
We have to get all of the rod.
Where is it? I don't remember where those window.
Okay. House is painted. Woohoo!
Yeah, I was painting, looking good. So far, better than I did before. Yeah, at least I can say I have my own house in Jamaica now.
We have our own house.
I go live back
We?
at my mom's house or whatever.
Well, we gotta renovate your mom's house a bit too.
Yeah.
But the color is gone, man. White it is. Yes. And the grill come out really nice with the white.
That I already into the grill to do
Yeah.
because I'm have to scrub off all of the rust and all of the old paint and everything to get it look right new again.
No more red walls on that one.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do have to change water.
Not sure it used to be all yellow. Boom.
They used to be yellow, mix up color, and now yellow.
Yellow and blue and green. Yeah. Still gotta fix the bathrooms.
Yeah, so I fix the bathroom to put the glass when up and I don't know what kind of glass is that.
Okay. So we're also gonna, in the future, get the closet doors redone. Windows have been ordered. Gonna get those put in. Gonna do regular sliding windows for each of the windows with tinted. Supposed to be ready in a couple weeks time, I hope. And
Yeah, then said I 2 weeks time, so yeah, I hope it's ready by then. And they said the windows still they are not level, so they
yeah, join them or something. The kitchen, we're gonna go straight white subway tile in the whole entire kitchen. Forget the paint. I'm sure it mashed up so much. Oh, look, my future bedroom.
that's where you're gonna go in the doggy room and probably down underneath
That's
the
the
bottom.
doghouse, yes. Okay, backyard. Banana tree, coconut.
Why do you have
Mango.
that board up? Push up like that.
I don't know.
Because they aren't enough to cash or something.
It's a great question, dear. I don't know if I can answer that from sitting here. Don't mind the paint on the floor. We're getting new tiles put in. It's okay.
Yeah, I was looking good forward. I go and see it and how it looks. So it's kind of coming together. We gotta fix that step to make a round step.
She wants a round step down coming down out of the garage. We'll see.
Okay, if I'm coming out of the kitchen, I'm going to go.
You're gonna go down fast.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm not young anymore. They would do heck. I want to be a 1, 2, 3 step going down there.
Okay, a little bit of cluttered mess. It's alright.
Yeah, I'll fix up after. It will get fixed up after everything done. So, yeah.
Water tank's looking good. House coming along. That painting will be soon done. And then the tile. And then the world.
And now the window and the tile. And then the bathroom fixtures and the kitchen. And voila!
Voila. Not bad.
Happy New Year's, guys. Happy 2023.
Happy 2023.
Yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. And just, I don't know.
All right. There's
I
that.
hope you guys have a plan for 2023. Because I guess someone with us do.
Yes.
I've
Jamaica
gone for
soon come, yeah?
2023.
I'm gonna go now. Anything else?
Yeah.
You good?
Happy 2023, guys.
You said that already.
To all of you around the world.
And the world. Bye-bye.
Bye.